Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to promote your Amazon seller account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we're going to be opening up the official Seller Central right here at sellercentral.amazon.com if you've not already. After you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page from where we can get started. In this home page, we can go ahead and get started logging into our account in the upper right corner. So first thing you're going to do, if you do not already have an Amazon seller account, you're going to sign up for one, and if you have one, you can just log in normally. So go ahead and log into your account, after which you log in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is going to be your dashboard from where we can access everything we need to get started with selling, such as our catalog, history, we can manage our orders and so on. And now we can get started with advertising ourselves. As you can see, we have the advertising option right here that we are going to be using. So what do we do to go and promote our Amazon seller account? Well, here we have the official Amazon seller option for boosting visibility, increasing sales with Amazon ads. What you can do is get started advertising yourself. If you're already selling on Amazon, you can get started advertising right here. By clicking start advertising, it's going to take you to the next page where you can get started registering for Amazon ads, taking a look at all the plans that there are. That's going to enable you to increase your sales, reach more customers, increase traffic, and improve customer loyalty. With the options right here, you can get started promoting yourself using official Amazon ads that are going to be shown and enabling people to be taken to your website. Other than that, you can go and promote yourself using your social media and so on, but this is the official option for anybody that wants to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.